So hello guys, you need to have an account sa Pi and of course the OKX. So make sure you have these two accounts and yeah, let's start. So open your Pi and then click on the hamburger icon and click on Pi browser. So make sure Pi browser is installed in your phone. And then click on sign into Pi browser. It will automatically open the Pi. Click the wallet, and then from that, you will be redirected to your wallet. So just paste yung paraphrase. So I can use my Face ID naman here. And then there you have it, your wallet. So I have here previous transactions. And if you did some lockups, para mag-boost yung pag-increase. So ngayon, let's go to pay request. So we will go into transfer our Pi from the mainnet Pi to our OKX account. So click on the pay request and then scan your QR wallet or manually enter. So we will manually enter. So assuming na we put 10 kunyari muna to be transferred to our OKX account. So let's get our OKX wallet. So let's move to our OKX. Make sure you have already your account here and a Pi wallet in the OKX. So click on your Pi wallet here. I have 50, as you can see, 50 Pi here. And then click on the deposit. Yeah. So kita nyo 50 siya sa baba. Yan. So click on the deposit. And then deposit crypto. Select this one. Tapos, you'll end up with this. So you can copy or save the QR or scan the QR. So I'll do it by copying. So I'll just swipe this one to continue and then copy my wallet address. And then once copied, we will put this back dun sa Pi. So let's move to our Pi and then paste our wallet address here. So make sure correct because you cannot retrieve, Once the transaction is done, you cannot undo it. So make sure everything is correct. You can double check it. So here, just a time reminder. So we have 10 Pi and then you have here a fee, 0.01 Pi in the transaction fee. So let's make it 12 na lang. And then sayang yung 0.01. Tapos let's confirm this one. So just click on the confirm button and then wait for it to be transferred to your OKX Pi wallet. So just